Hi, it's Zach and Katie here to bring you today's deal on the official Power Rangers Power Flyers. These are mini helicopters that you actually control with the palm of your hand.
And these are so much fun because you don't have to be an experienced drone user to use them, so anyone will have fun.
Yeah, they use advanced hovering technology. They have sensors in the bottom of them, so whenever they start getting low to the ground, or if they sense that your palm is underneath them, they're gonna fly back up in the air, so you can play fun games like passing them back and forth or having them battle in the air.
And what's great about these is that it comes with an internal rechargeable battery, so you just have to use the included USB cord to charge them.
Now, we've carried a couple different helicopters that have this technology, but these ones are really cool and unique because they're actual Power Rangers.
And in addition to them being helicopters, they're also full-size action figures, and they have a really cool LED light-up chest, so you can fly them anywhere.
Yeah, and there's actually two different styles. You have the Red Ranger as well as the Megazord. Now, there is no choice available. However, we have a fantastic price on these, and when you buy more than one, you're gonna save even more. So head on over to the site and grab one or two today.